In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a glowing text effect in CapCut PC. If you want your titles to stand out with a vibrant neon-style look, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut on PC includes a built-in glow setting for text, so you don't need any complicated layering or extra effects. Everything happens right inside the Text Properties panel, which makes this a quick and beginner-friendly method. To get started, go to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Text tab. From there, drag a text layer down onto your timeline. Once the text track is on the timeline, make sure it's selected so you can edit its settings. Then move to the top right Properties panel, stay under the Basic tab, and type in the title or words you want to use. This is where you create the main text that will receive the glowing effect. After that, scroll down in the Properties panel past the font and size controls until you reach the lower section. Look for the option labeled Glow. When you find it, click the checkbox next to it to turn it on. As soon as you enable this setting, CapCut adds a soft, radiant light behind the text. You'll immediately notice the letters start to look more vivid and eye-catching in the preview window. Now it's time to customize the effect so it feels more like a real neon sign. Click the color square to choose the glow color you want. Bright, vibrant colors usually work best here, especially shades like electric blue or bright green, because they create that illuminated sign style very effectively. Once you've chosen your color, drag the intensity slider to the right to make the light stronger and brighter. If the glow feels too subtle, increasing intensity will help it pop more against your background. Next, adjust the range slider. This controls how far the glow spreads outward from the text. A lower range keeps the effect tight and crisp around the letters, while a higher range makes the light bloom farther out for a softer, more dramatic appearance. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the preview monitor so you can fine-tune the balance between brightness and spread. And that's it. With just a few simple property toggles, you can create vibrant, illuminated text accents directly in CapCut PC. Your glowing text effect is now ready to use, and your titles should look much more polished and attention-grabbing.